He likes spending his free time writing, practicing spirituality, mentoring youth, golf, and bridge. He has published 2 books so far, The Reluctant Assassin, a fictional thriller, and Silk Empress, a fictional novel linking the ancient history of India and Korea. So welcome to this Haridasa Habba. We are very glad that you've taken time off your busy schedule and you've graced this occasion. Accompanying him today with us, we have Srimati Geeta Parthasarathy. And thank you so much for accepting the invite. We're indeed delighted to have you here. Our next special guest of today's event actually needs no introduction. He is a known face, or may I say a stirring personality in the Kannada community and in many more non-profit organizations throughout Bay Area, uplifting education and healthcare. UVC Foundation, One School at a Time, Akshaya Patra, India Literacy Project, Shankara Cancer Hospital, Shankara Eye Hospital, India Community Center, Morgan Autism, also in California, are some of the many philanthropic activities he's involved with. He is a successful serial entrepreneur and a venture capitalist. And for those of you who do not know about him or hearing about him this first time, you will not miss but notice his charisma. And yes, I'm talking about a very encouraging and very inspiring Shri P.V. Jagdish. Thank you so much for being part of us. We also have with us today Shri Sanatana Dharma Kendra's Chief Priest, Shri Gajanan Joshi ji. I'm sure wherever he is, he's hearing us, and we're very thankful to him because there's been a tremendous support in conducting this event here. And we request him, if he's hearing us, to shower his blessings so we have a successful event today. And ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause to all the special guests here. Now, may I request Parthasarathy ji, Jagdish ji, and Shami sir to inaugurate the event as done in Hindu tradition, right? Lighting the tree. Joshi ji, I also request you to please be a part of us in inaugurating the event.
कुष्ठमह्यमावा जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हि कुशीज्जातवेदो गामश्वं पुरुषं जगत अभिभ्रदग्नागहि श्रिया मा परिपातय निमहति
Thank you so much. Now, for the benefit of newcomers, we'd like to throw a little light on the purpose of this event, and I'd like to begin this with some background on the history of Dasa Sahitya itself. In a nutshell, Dasa Sahitya is the literature composed during Bhakti movement by Haridasas, who are staunch devotees of Vishnu or one of his forms. During those days, men and women folk in particular were prohibited from learning and speaking the languages of gods, which is Sanskrit. But the Bhakti movement, ushered by Haridasas, was one of the turning points during this time. And I'm talking about the 13th and the 14th century period during early rule of Vijayanagara Empire. The movement first found roots in the Kannada country and later spread to the rest of India. And prominent Hindu philosophers, poets and scholars such as Sripada Rayuru, Vyasa Tirtharu, Vadiraja Tirtharu, Purandara Dasaru, Kanaka Dasaru, and many more made an immeasurable contribution to the devotional literature, and that is their compositions that are popularly called Devarnamas, Suladis, Uga Bhogas, to name a few. The compilation of all of these verses, hymns, and music compositions are known to us as Dasa Sahitya. Now, Dasa Smriti is a small effort to reach out and inspire our Bay Area community to come together to sing a few compositions of our revered Haridasas in commemoration of them. We first started celebrating Haridasa Habba 4 years ago, as I mentioned, and it has been spearheaded by Srimati Divya Ramesh and Srimati Srivalli Vinod. Of course, this wouldn't be possible if not for our beloved Chami sir, who is known as Vidwan Thirumalai Nivas. It is under his tutelage that it's been this successful so far. The uniqueness of this particular event itself is that it brings together Kannadiga and non-Kannadiga participants for Goshti Gayana, and many of them have no prior training in music whatsoever. Now, the spirit of the event lies in our enthusiastic volunteers, participants, and also their valuable time in making it this successful the way it is today. On this note, I request Chami sir to please add a few words and Chami sir, kindly, a few words please.
Manmanobhishtavaradam sarvabhishta padapradam Purandara Gurum Vande Dasa Shrishtham Dayanidhim. This was the sloka told by Vyasaraya, who happens to be the Guru of Purandaradasa. So, Guru praising a Shishya, it's a rare occasion. Same way, today I am praising my students here. All those, we all are here only because of music. It is no matter that we speak Tamil, we speak Telugu, we speak Hindi, no. We have in our heart that we are all musicians, we are all Indians. With the intention, like when I was a student of my teacher used to say, first you become a guru, then you become a shishya. So I am a shishya still now. So he used to tell that whatever you teach, wherever you teach, whomever you teach wholeheartedly. So they will remember as long as they are into music, or whenever any incident happens, through that incident they will remember you all. So conducting this Dasahitya here, especially in US, was an accidental event some 4 years ago. We started it in a very small manner. So that has grown up and that is picking up and it is reaching people. Actually this year there was no plan to conduct this event in such a grand scale. So everything happened within 3 weeks of time. When Divya called me, sir, this time it may not be possible, can we have? I said, you should not stop, you do it. So meantime, the time came in such a way that I had an opportunity to perform in Washington in a music festival. So I told that I am there on 12th of April. So meantime, we had already fixed it for 20th. By God's grace and support by you all, Dasa Sahitya is being promoted. Like eminent Dasas have written enormous compositions which are in praise of God, for the upliftment of the society. So many subjects are dealt with in the Dasa Sahitya. So I just want to propagate those. People should keep on singing, and that is the easiest means of offering our prayer to God. So I personally thank each and everyone. Today I am blessed that we are having the Ambassador of India, His Excellency Shri Parthasarathy sir, his wife, and Mr. B.V. Jagdish, who happens to be very any art forum, it needs a supporter, patrons. So he is the one. So he never misses. Whenever he comes to India, he see that he calls me And we spent some, that is the greatness. See, people, they say, you can't come, we didn't have time. That's not that thing. We must make ourselves free anywhere we go. That's the kindness in him. He calls me, he invites me. So I wish you, all of you, all the very best. Let us do this festival much more grand in future days. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for those kind words and inspiring words. So without any further delay, let us begin today's program, Goshti Gayana, the first of its kind in the Bay Area, where kids will be vocal supporting a dance ensemble to Pillari Geethams. Our little vocalists are trained under Vidwan Tirumale Srinivas and Srimati Divya Ramesh. Our elegant dancers are from Nrityalaya School of Dance. Nrityalaya is an institution established by Guru Dr. Tulasi Ramachandra in Mysore, Karnataka. The school specializes in a unique style of dance called Madhurya Marya, conceptualized by the Guru herself. Over a span of 30 years, this institution has molded several students into accomplished dancers, and several of them are also teachers to many more learners. Now the dancers here are the students of Srimati Ramya Abhijit and Srimati Chandana Haricharan, who are continuing Nrityalaya tradition in Bay Area. Preeti Ravishankar, a senior disciple of Guru Dr. Tulasi Ramachandra, has helped mentor these students for this particular performance. And also supporting these students here, on Mridangam we have students of Sri Ramesh Srinivasan from Sarvalaghu Percussion Art Center. On violin, we have Sri Sushila Narsimhan and Shiranjeevi Raghav Narsimhan. On flute, we have Sri Shreyas Bharadwaj. On keyboard, Vidwan Tirumale Srinivas. On veena, Srimati Shubha Gunapu. Just before the performance starts, I'd like to update you all with a few basic hall rules. Kindly be seated. Make sure kids don't run around. Maintain silence. Please switch off your cell phones to silent mode or switch it off. And no flash photography, please. This will actually divert the attention of the kids. Alright kids, the stage is all yours.
Mridanga 1, increase. Like, little more. All instruments, little. Number 1 has to be increased. Number 1 mic. Good. All my
more.